Greetings, it's Will from stormthecastle.com, and you are watching the Cardboard daVinci YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I have a short video here for you that revolves around another interaction I had with an AI that really piqued my curiosity. P-I-Q-U-E-D, piqued. And I thought maybe, curiosity was one of the defining factors of Leonardo da Vinci. He had endless, boundless curiosity. So, and I thought maybe you'd like to share in with this, and hopefully I can pique your curiosity just a little bit. I'll explain. And maybe you can help me with this. Let me tell you the story a little bit. So I'm working on a new video about the symbology of the spiral staircase, and it's kind of ties in with the video I did a little bit back about making a cardboard spiral staircase. And I've visited two of the most famous spiral staircases in the world, one of which I believe da Vinci himself walked on. But anyway, so I'm trying to finish up that video, and I'll probably be posted tomorrow. And I went to an AI to create a thumbnail for the YouTube video. And I made a mistake, kind of. I introduced myself to the AI like this. I said, well, hello, do you think you could create another image for me? Now, as a human being, that's kind of an introductory thing. And another human being would say something like, sure, go ahead. I'll be happy to help. But the AI didn't interpret it that way. After I said, do you think you could create another image for me? It just created another image for me. Without me telling what kind of image or anything like that. I was a little bit surprised by that, I guess you could say, misinterpretation. It misinterpreted what I was saying, which that's an interesting AI thing right there. But here's the image right here. You're looking at it. And I've been staring at this thing, just curious as to why the AI picked this image or created this image. And this ties into my earlier video, right, where I was really quite flabbergasted by the image of the mockingbird that the AI created for me. So I'm sure there's more to this image than I realize. And I'm trying to tease it out and puzzle it out, and I can't figure it out. So maybe you have some thoughts about what is actually going on here. To me, the first thing that came to my mind when looking at it, the first thing that popped in my mind was Velázquez. I think he was a Spanish painter, right? It's kind of a little bit Velázquez-esque, but, well, not really. Here, I'll show you a Velázquez painting. It's very famous. But it also, in my mind, it almost makes me think of like a late 19th century scene. When was the Victorian era? Was that late 19th century or early 19th century? It feels late 19th century by the dress and just the way it is, but I'm really puzzled by this picture, and I don't know what to make of it. And for some reason, the picture in the background on the right there just seems important. So I don't know. If you could, try to work up your curiosity a little bit and look at this picture and let me know. You can, if you want, leave a comment, or you can send me an email, or I don't know. If you think of something, what you think about this picture, why the AI chose to create this image for me. And I'm befuddled. Anyway, so thank you. Tomorrow, I will be posting that video, pretty sure tomorrow, of the symbology of the spiral staircase. I think you might like that. You might find that a curious video. Stay tuned. Got lots more stuff coming. Thank you.